of wires and gears, where circuits hum and dreams take flight. Young minds set out to conquer, with determination burning bright. They're diving deep into the code, where zeros dance and ones collide. Each line is a step towards the future, where innovation will preside. Oh, they're racing towards the future, with algorithms as their guide. Through every challenge, every loop, their perseverance will abide. For they're the ones who'll shape tomorrow. With every hurdle they'll surmount. In the world of autonomous race cars, their dreams will surely mount. They face the obstacles head-on, with logic as their steed. Through the maze of if-else statements, they'll find the speed they need. With sensors as their eyes, they navigate the twists and turns. For every bug they conquer, a new